Hey there, Plant Girl here. It's a very hot, windy day here in Saskatchewan, Canada. I'm out in the garden and I'm going to be harvesting a few potatoes. So you can see the plants aren't quite dead yet. They haven't quite died back, but they're starting to yellow. They've flowered, they've done flowering. And I'm going to pull one or two plants, just enough to get a few potatoes for tonight's supper. So this plant here is a Warba. And I'm going to pull the whole plant. You could just reach down beside the plant, and I've done this on the other side with some of the plants. You can just reach down, dig a little bit, and pull off the potato, and just have that, and leave the whole plant growing to continue growing on any more potatoes that it has. But these potato plants are planted in a bed that's very heavily planted. I have squash going up a trellis behind me here, and I also have a couple of corn plants in here. So I'm going to just pull a few of the potato plants, just put a little bit less stress on the soil and water uptake and that. And these are nice sized potatoes already. So the few that I've already stolen and dug out of here have been really nice. So I think we're fine to pull up a plant or two. If they're really not looking good once I do that, then I can just steal a few. But my plan is to just pull up one or two plants and get a nice little batch of potatoes for the next week or so here. You can feel another one right here at the surface. These are nice potatoes. So, I think I said this, but these are Warba potatoes that I'm pulling up here. There are some Caribes beside, so there's a chance I'll get to Caribes, but no, there's one more Warba right beside, so I shouldn't grab any Caribes out of the ground by mistake. They're kind of a short to mid-season potato, and these have been planted. These were planted May 18th, I believe it was. Yeah, so they're more than ready to come out. So I would have planted one small potato, and I've gotten 4 out of that patch there, and there's more in here still. See, that's usually, if you're going to just steal the potatoes, you're looking for usually that or smaller. So like I said, they've gotten quite large. And it would be nice to let just a little bit more room for these vines. I've been having to pull them up out of the potatoes and contain them. So that's part of growing plants too intensely, like I like to do. Okay, so I'm going to pull this. I don't know if this was technically part of that other plant, because seems pretty close to be its own plant, but I think it was its own plant. There's a couple more potatoes off of it. Yeah, there's a few here. So hopefully I'm not damaging the roots of this vine too much, but it'll have time to recover. And I don't want to dig too far and start digging out all the roots from that vine, and also digging potatoes out of that other, off the next plants there. Oh, there's just one little potato sitting there. Oops. See if there's any more just at surface level here. Feels pretty good. So I think I got them all. Try knock the dirt out. So just a quick little dig in the garden, and a couple plants, one small one, one large one. And I got, I don't know, 2, 4, 6 big potatoes, a couple kind of medium to small, and then 3 small. So it's pretty good lot of potatoes there. And then I saw, where'd it go? Did it blow out? Oh, here. So that's what's left of the seed potato. And there was another one here. So that was 2 plants. So just the skin left. And that's what happens. You plant a little seed potato, and then it uses up the energy out of that potato that you planted, that little bit of potato, and uses that to get the plant going and growing. and then uses that energy all up. It all rots away and grows you a plant with potatoes in the roots. So there's my potato haul for today. And I'm very happy to have that. It's nice to have nice fresh potatoes from the garden. And these, oh, mosquito just bit me. And these are even, like the skins aren't super soft. So they're ready to be dug up and pulled. So I'll be coming through digging a few more out of this bed. I'll be concentrating up along the side of the trellis, and actually the bed on the other side of me has a trellis, same thing, squash and melons growing up. So I'll try and get those first and give the plants more light that are growing up those trellises. But this will do me for a few days and happy to have it. So have you checked on your potato plants lately? Maybe it's time to get some harvested, either stealing a few potatoes because the plants have flowered or just digging the plant up and starting. You'll know for sure they're ready to be harvested if the plants have died right back, yellowed and died back. But often if they're past that maturity date, then often you can be harvesting them like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.